So what we need to do is that we need to have some sort of enterprise architecture process to design or define our so-called customer journey. So this one, if you can see all the layers. So typically architecture is targeting those strategy and motivation layer. Then from there cascade down to the business layer. And business layer is supported by the application and information layer. And of course, the application and information layer is supported by the technology layer and the physical layer. Physical layer here, I'm referring to the Internet of Things, sensors, and etc. And of course, there will be so-called implementation and migration layer. So typically is that in the strategy and motivation layer, we need to define the strategy, the winning formula for excellent customer service experience. So how are we going to do that? So this is basically the question that we need to answer at the strategy and motivation layer. How are we going to provide an excellent customer service experience? So when the customer buying our product and services, they'll be very, very happy. Because if you are the so-called the head of the organization, if you are at the vice president level or you are at the C level, if you go to the function, suddenly you meet your existing client and your existing client is making a complaint about your product and services, how embarrassed could that be? So we really need to think through on how we define a strategy for the development for excellent customer service experience. Once this is done, what we need to do is that we need to define and map customer journey mapping, which is what I'm going to share with you in the next couple of slides, how we do that. And of course, it's not forgotten about the architecting the information, application, and the technology infrastructure to support the seamless customer journey experience. Because today is that we need to have a connected technology as well at the back end to give us so-called the business, a digitally connected, holistic information at hand for decision making.